Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Sony's PlayStation Network account bans, Foxconn and Pegatron iPhone production halt in Chennai due to rains, TDK to produce lithium-ion battery cells for Apple iPhones in India, Meta and Netflix India's WhatsApp stickers packed for Arkeys, movie and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Sony reportedly banning accounts leading to random and permanent bans for some PlayStation users. The reason for the bans is unclear but is believed to be related to alleged violations of the PlayStation Network user agreement. Instances of permanent bans reported with users citing unclear reasons and no chargeback or appeal options. Sony lists bans as due to violations of the PlayStation Network terms of service and user agreement. Some users report account functionality returning to normal after a few hours. Multiple users facing similar issues, but Sony has not acknowledged the problem's extent or if it's region specific. Check for potential account bans by attempting to access the PSN store on your console or mobile app. Next we have Chinese smartphone brand Tecno launches Tecno Spark Go 2024 in India, priced at Rs 6,699 for the base variant. Features a 6.56-inch dot-in display with Panda screen protection and a 90Hz refresh rate. Dynamic port software feature for displaying notifications around the selfie camera cutout. Powered by an octa-core Unisoc T606 chipset with a maximum of 8GB of RAM. Tecno's memory fusion technology allows unusual storage to function as virtual RAM, equipped with DTS dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience. Dual rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel primary sensor and AI lens alongside dual flash. 8-megapixel front camera for video calls and selfies. Massive 5000 mAh battery expected to provide a day's worth of usage under normal conditions. Runs on Android 13 Go edition based on iOS 13. Samsung likely to shift from its own camera sensor to Sony's 1-inch sensor in the Galaxy S25 lineup. Adoption of Sony's IMX890 1-inch sensor for enhanced capabilities and competition in the premium phone segment. The 1-inch sensor allows better light capture, particularly beneficial for low-light photography. Reports suggest the shift is influenced by Google and Apple's focus on the computational side of photography. Samsung gearing up to launch the Galaxy S24 series with the potential shift indicating challenges in developing its own 1-inch camera sensor. OnePlus launched the OnePlus Open, a premium foldable device in India and other markets. Priced around Rs 1.40 lakh, position has a competitor to Samsung's Galaxy Fold models. Features flagship-grade camera, slim and lightweight body and high-end specifications. Endures band test and outer display survives still level 6, but inner screen shows vulnerability typical of foldables. Scratch-resistant glass back body, hinge-resistant to dust, indicating long-term durability. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 16GB RAM, triple rear camera setup, fast charging battery and high refresh rate AMOLED screens. Despite the high price, OnePlus aims to compete with premium offering from Samsung and Google. Foxconn and Pegatron halt iPhone production at their factories near Chennai, India due to heavy rains. Chennai experiences flooding and disruptions as cyclone Meghwang heads down the coast. Foxconn employs about 35,000 people at its Tamil Nadu iPhone factory. Apple rapidly expanding its presence in India, shifting some production away from China. Apple recorded its highest ever quarterly shipments from India in the quarter ending September. Pegatron forced to shut its factory temporarily for the second time in recent months. Japanese electronic parts manufacturer TDK Corporation to produce lithium-ion battery cells for Apple iPhones in India. Manufacturing facility to be set up in the northern state of Haryana, creating several thousand new jobs. Part of Apple's initiative to increase domestic value addition and shift production away from China. Tata Group also set to start making Apple iPhone in India within 2.5 years. Indian government supports the growth of global Indian electronic companies, aligning with PM Modi's PLI scheme. Next up we have BGMI introduces actor Ranveer Singh as a playable character and the official brand ambassador for the game. Update includes the Ranveer Singh Discovery event, Ranveer Singh Create and Play and Win event. Players can win 3D avatars and a special voice pack through various events and stages. Collaboration with car maker Pagani to introduce 2 new car models in the game. Krafton enhances in-game content, providing players with new locations, events and collaborations. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।